All right, so this is Cali. Cali's a pretty old kitty who we've been treating with the laser for how long now?
Almost a year.
Yeah, and tell us what your experience been.
The original laser treatment started because of arthritis, which we knew she was going to have, and a degenerating spine. But at the same time, we're seeing and we're treating her for the beginning stages of kidney failure. And as a result, when she got sick in the winter, which everybody thought was the kidney failure, it was just a pancreatitis, and blood tests proved that her kidneys were back functioning normally.
Right.
And have been, and she's been normally. She's normal. She's active. She's eating. She's putting a little bit of weight on, and the laser, and it has also greatly affected her mobility and her atrophy in her hips. And
so she's getting around better in the house?
She's getting around better. She doesn't seem to be in any form of pain. And she's still easily climbing a 4-foot wall. So,
really? And before the laser, that wasn't happening, right?
Not as comfortably and not as often, but you could see her hips had atrophied, and especially at the base of her tail, it had become really narrow, and she wasn't as comfortable. And even her spine doesn't seem to be nearly as tender as it was before.
Great.
But the big part, the added effect was the kidney.
Yeah.
And and taking her out of kidney failure making her, albeit we're still doing some preventative care with her, but she's doing well.
And how often is she coming in now for the laser treatments?
We've got it to every 2 weeks, which seems to be working. I was trying every 3. But I think I feel more comfortable doing it every 2 weeks because she just does better. Little things like appetite and mobility and weight gain and loss seems to be the indications as to how she's doing.
Terrific.
Yes.
Okay, well, let's hope it keeps on working.
Oh yes, we're happy. She's, as you said, she's not a young baby, but she's definitely had her life extended by virtue of this.
Great. Thanks for your help.
Oh, my pleasure.
Sure.
Our pleasure, huh?